Hi everyone, welcome to Biteable. My name is Haley and today I'm showing you how to make an animated video in literally minutes. It doesn't matter if you're in marketing or if it's for your nan's birthday, we're gonna make it happen. I'll also give you some tips on making your animations pop. Let's start with the tips. My first tip is define your audience. You need to know who you're talking to so you can tailor your message to them. Try to build out a picture of your audience. How old are they? What do they do for a living? Where are they seeing your video? Answering these questions, even if you're guessing, will give you valuable feedback on how to design your video. It can help with practical questions too, like does your audience watch on mobile, tablet, or desktop? Does your audience need subtitles? My second tip is to know your core message. It's easy to get swept up when creating an animation and forget why you're there. But each video should have one key message and you want to convey every creative decision, every joke, every element of the video should all be working toward making your core message clearer. The last thing you want is for your audience to watch your video and say, well, that was cool, but I wonder what that was about. My third and final tip is to choose the right animation style. Animation has exploded in popularity and accessibility in the last 10 years. And while this is great for the industry, it means that there are thousands of possibilities when it comes to animation styles, and they all convey different meanings. Before you choose a style, think back to your core message and your audience. What animation style would speak to them and convey your message? For example, if you're making a serious video, move away from bright colors and fast transitions. Or if you're making a training video, try to alternate informative slides with engaging animations to give their brains a break. Now I'm going to show you how to make an animated video with Biteable. Luckily for us, our team at Biteable has created a library of animated clips and styles we can use to create our own videos. Alright, let's create our animated video. So here I am on Biteable's animated video templates page. There are dozens of different animated video templates to choose from depending on the video you'd like to make. Today I'm going to make a video advertising for an open role on my team. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this We're Hiring video. Once I select edit, this will open the template in the Biteable Video Maker and it will allow me to change the colors of the background, animations, change the text, do anything I want to customize this template and make it suitable for my brand and for the job that I am advertising. And today the job I'm advertising is a marketing role, so I'm going to go ahead and change this text to reflect that role a little bit better. And if I wanted to change the color of the text, I just highlight the text I want to change the color of and pick the color. Over on the right-hand side here. And you can do the same for the background or the animations. Just select either the background or the animation and you can change the color using the palettes on the right-hand side. And if you wanted to change the colors of multiple scenes at one time, you could just jump over to our Style tab. That will open up the Biteable Style Editor, and this allows you to make bulk changes across multiple scenes all in one place. So you can select all of the different scenes you'd like to change, and then change the animation colors, background colors, and text colors over on the left-hand side here. Once you're done making those changes, you can select the Edit tab, and that will pop you back into your video, where we will keep editing our template for a marketing role. So I'm just updating the text a little bit to reflect my company and the role that I'm advertising. Here is where I can write about the candidate that I would love to hire. This text looks pretty accurate, so I'm going to leave that as is. And if you wanted to change any of these animations, find one that was a little bit better suited to your video, you could just click the animation, and on the right-hand side, select Replace Background. Here you'd be able to choose from any of the Biteable animations. You could upload your own footage, or you could also choose from Biteable's stock footage library as well. And we're going to click along our timeline to pop us back into the video, and we'll keep editing our template. And here's a bit of information about the team that they'll be joining. This information is also relevant for my company, so I'm just going to leave it as is. And finally, we're at the end of our video, so this is where we really want to add our call to action and let our applicant know where they can apply. So below Apply Today, you can just add a line of text and write my website. If there's a direct website to your careers page, you could just provide that link as well. Make that a bit longer. And we can center it. Now, we are ready to add music to our video. We can choose a soundtrack. This template already comes with a soundtrack added in, so I'm going to leave that as is. If you wanted to preview your video from the beginning, you could select this large play button on the left-hand side, or if you're ready to download, just select download along the top. You can build your video. From there, you'll be able to download it directly to your device, share it to social, or generate a link to share your video directly. Thanks so much for watching. See how easy animation is with Biteable? When you're ready to create, browse our template library, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye!